The retreat is finished. We have one last item which is about to start. That is target practice at the shooting range. Otherwise, we are done and headed home. B has come to pick me up. School is over. There she is. Come.
The bucket, not the seats. The bucket and the shoes. This is so...
But overall, it reminds me of school life. Simplicity. It has gotten rid of my patriotic front. Not bad at all. Here we are.
Home sweet home. Home sweet home.
Thank you, sir. You are out of Kyankwanzi now.
Tulia kama askari wewe, tulia.
Ndio afande. We are now going to the foundation stone of the Caleb Akandwanaho Salim Saleh arena for Musevenomics studies. Yesterday, we were supposed to take a picture here, but we were not able to take it. But now we are going to take a picture to celebrate General Salim Saleh as an apostle of Musevenomics and a warrior peacemaker. The writing is clear. This foundation stone for building of the General Caleb Akandwanaho Salim Saleh School of Research and Walter Rodney Block at the National Leadership Institute, Kyankwanzi, was laid by His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, on the 13th
of April.
Well 2026.
Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Well done.
Next time you come back here to Kyankwanzi in 5 years,
even before you have been sworn in, you are doing something. You're making a mark.
Thank you.
And also to put a
people should learn to appreciate good people when they are still alive.
Yeah.
They should not appreciate them when they are dead. And they bring beautiful flowers. So whoever is there, anyone that General Saleh has ever had a very good impact on you, it is high time you come and join us. Let us join hands and build this block. Let us not even stress the president to get resources or even General himself. Anyone there who feels like you should or you're willing to contribute to this very, very noble cause, you're most welcome. Mohoza Desire, Woman Mpichiboga District.
The next step is now to show the artistic impression.
All that we're going to be sharing.
Architectural plans. And thank you for thinking big. One of the diseases of this country is thinking small. And General Salim Saleh is a big thinker. This is a tribute to two things that I had when the director of Nali was reading the citation. He said, an apostle of Musevenomics, and then number two, a warrior peacemaker.
Yes.
He's a warrior, but also a peacemaker. But most of us are warriors.
I can see.
So we should learn from General Saleh that if you're a warrior, at a certain point in life, you should also become a peacemaker.
Thank you.
For being a friend.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable MP-elect.
Congratulations
for insisting that rather than having a small dream, Nali should have a big dream, befitting of General Caleb Akandwanaho.